Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Annalie and today I'm so happy because the Samsung S24 Ultra which I had ordered on the 6th of February is finally here today. I wasn't much expecting it to be delivered by the DPD today itself because they have always been ditching me, but yes, they have delivered it on the specified day. I really did not like the packaging from Samsung this time because they have packed it in a laptop box firstly and they did not give any protection to the phone box. It was just rolling around in the box. So here's my S24 Ultra with 512GB storage. Without wasting time, let's unbox it. Oh my god, this first look at the violet color that I have ordered is just wow. I really liked this color when I first saw it in other people's reviews on the YouTube, and I knew that I wanted this color only. So let's see what else comes in the box. It's normally the same things which they usually give with the other phone boxes, that is the pin and some information and of course the C-type cable without the adapter of course. And now to look at the phone. This is really very pretty in person. I must say they have really done a good job by giving a flat screen this time. I really loved the curved screen, but I wanted a change because the screen protectors were not as good as how they are on a flat screen. So this is the S Pen. It comes with a grey color. I really like it. Can't wait to use them. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! This is pretty, very much pretty. Here I have asked my partner to help me put on the screen protector because I really get shaky and a bit nervous when I put on the screen protector, and if it is for the Samsung then it's obvious to be a little bit nervous. He really did a good job and he has a lot of patience. He really took much care while putting it on. Yes, it came out perfect. There were a little bubbles at the side, but they were all gone. Now it's time for me to put on the lens protectors. I ordered the diamond ones because they really give a brilliant look on a dark phone. I had a little trouble putting on the tiny lens protectors because they were not getting stick on, so I had to peel the upper plastic up just to push them in. But overall it was fine and they looked very pretty. Next was the case which I ordered from eBay, but I think they have not sent me the correct size. It fitted, but then still it was not so good. So this is the SIM tray, and it is very nice because it is dual SIM plus it supports eSIM, so totally you can have 3 SIM cards in it. Let's turn it on finally after putting in on all the protection. Now I'm going to be transferring from my iPhone 12 Pro Max. I actually used the Samsung Note 10 Plus, which I have traded in for the last phone, so I had to keep all of my data in the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which I'll be transferring. It took some time, and now all the apps are being downloaded in the background, so I have to wait till it tells me when the phone is ready to use. I can use it now, but I'm gonna just leave it and let it take its own time to get all the apps back on my new phone. So I will meet you all after some time once it is done. See ya. Welcome back everyone. So as you all can see that my full everything, all the download and everything is done. So now it's time to organize all the folders however I want and to put some nice cute theme. Alright friends, so it almost took me like 15 minutes to set up everything, and this is like how my phone looks like. So I have all the apps that I use every day on my home screen, and in the menu I have the remaining, and I have made small folders like for the unused apps and the ones which are on the home screen, and the shopping, editing, recharge, utility, Samsung, all the small folders I have made. Now the best part, what all us girls like, is that we want to change the themes, so I'm going to do that. I have some of my themes which I used to use on my previous phone, so I have them saved over here. So I will choose whichever one I want. Now this is also very pretty, that is the pastel unicorn. It has its own ringtone and keynote tone. It's really cute. This is how it looks. I also like this theme, so let's apply and see how it looks. Yeah, very nice. I think I am going to use this theme for now. Presently we can just press and hold this and we can change the look how it looks, so I think I'm gonna keep it white. Yep, so this is better. So all my icons have changed accordingly, and this is how the setup looks. Alright, so yeah, so this is how the phone lock looks like. You can actually see the wallpaper. It looks so cute. I have used the matte finish screen protector because I really like the grip of it, and this wallpaper also looks really nice. So yeah, I'm happy. There's a small bird here and moving water, and it's really cute. To tell you, we can also adjust the way it looks like wallpaper and style. We go to the lock screen and we can actually change the way the clock looks like if we want. Of course, we can change it. We can change its color. This all actually, friends, remains the same the way I had shown you all earlier. You can change its style, whatever style you like, and then you can move over here. I think it's not moving. Then you click on add widgets and you can add any widget if you want. I don't want right now. you can click on contact and you can just maybe type in your name or anyone's contact that you want over here and click on done, and back again click on done. I'm pretty much not sure because I knew that you can actually move you could actually move this. Oh, all right, I got it now. So you actually have to like get this option and then you can move the clock wherever you want. So for this particular lock screen, I think this is the best place it has to be, so I will leave it for now. And over here, of course, we can change only the wallpaper and then click on done. So yes friends, I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and I'm really looking forward to bring more updates to this phone. So stay tuned, let's see what we can catch up with. Until then, I'm gonna see you guys next time. Bye bye.